In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about SpyFu to help you decide if it's a great tool that you can use for your dropshipping business to help you do research. I'm going to explain how SpyFu stacks up in many different departments, such as product discovery, different analytics and tools, automation, the pricing, of course, and customer support and community, and a lot more. So for your convenience, I've included the link to SpyFu in the description of this video. Choosing the wrong tool for your e-commerce business can cost you a lot of money and waste a lot of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can make the right decision. Now let's get started with the product discovery features. SpyFu doesn't directly offer product discovery features for dropshipping, but it has great insights for competitive keywords that you can use, and that can help you with your ad strategies and help you identify trending products or niches based on search traffic and advertising trends. Now, what about market analysis? SpyFu excels in market analysis from an SEO and PPC perspective. It provides comprehensive data on competitors' keyword strategies, organic and paid search results, and historical ad variations. This information is crucial for dropshippers that are trying to understand market trends, optimize their content and strategies, and to help them place ads effectively. What about integrations with platforms like Shopify and other dropshipping e-commerce platforms? Well, SpyFu mainly focuses on SEO and PPC, so it doesn't integrate directly with these e-commerce platforms for product management or listing, but dropshippers can utilize the insights that they get from SpyFu to enhance their listings and ads on the platforms, no matter what platform it is, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or anything else. And they will have to do this manually, though. There is no automatic integration. What about supplier database? Well, SpyFu is not specifically a dropshipping tool, so they don't offer supplying database for different products for your business. What about pricing and profitability tools? Once again, they're not a dropshipping focused tool, so they don't actually offer direct pricing and profitability tools for dropshipping. But the keyword and ad cost data that you can get with SpyFu can help users estimate advertising expenses and gauge the competitiveness of pricing strategies in their niche. What about user interface and ease of use? Well, SpyFu offers a user-friendly interface that's straightforward and easy to navigate. New users can quickly learn to navigate throughout the tons of data that's available, and they also have lots of tutorials and other helpful information as well. Customer support and community is another place where SpyFu does really well. They have excellent customer support with options for contacting them via phone, email, as well as chat. They also offer a rich library of tutorials and a community forum where users can exchange strategies and insights. They also have a blog right here that you can see where you can get lots of information and strategies about keywords and SEO in general to help you in your business. So what about their pricing structure? Well, if we look at pricing right here, we can see they have 3 different plans. They can also offer monthly as well as annual subscriptions. And if you go annual, then you can save up to 30%. So it starts from the basic plan at $39 a month, goes up to the professional at $79 a month. And then the limited time offers in between are some of their most popular, which is you can actually get the basic plan for just $9 a month for a discount, as well as a pro plan, the professional here, for just $49 a month instead of $79. And so you can see everything that's included in all of these plans, and you can sign up right now using the link in the description if you want to try it out. Now, what about the automation features? Well, SpyFu provides detailed analytics and reporting on SEO and PPC campaigns, including keyword rankings, cost per click, and search volume. These insights are essential for optimizing your advertising and content strategies. Now, one thing that's unfortunate is that at the time that I'm recording this video, SpyFu does not actually offer a mobile app. So if you are planning on using your phone to get analytics analytics and research, then unfortunately they don't have an app that you can use. But what do users have to say? What's some of the feedback and reviews? Well, the general feedback for SpyFu is actually quite positive, especially regarding its depth of data on the competitors' search strategies. Users appreciate the actionable insights that help them refine their SEO and PPC efforts. Some users have noted that they would appreciate a more modern interface and faster data updates, but overall, it's still a great platform that can help you out a lot for research in your dropshipping business. While SpyFu is a great research tool for dropshipping, Shopify is easily one of the most popular platforms in the world for running an entire e-commerce business, anywhere from a few $1,000s a month to millions of dollars a month. You can scale to the moon with Shopify, and so it also pairs really well with SpyFu, so I would highly recommend trying it out. You can actually use the link in the description to try it out for 3 days for free, and then it's just $1 for a month. So use the link in the description below for both SpyFu and Shopify. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.